What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to share with you the one and only knot you need to know so that way you can build amazing trellises or cage for your garden. All you need is a string that is about 2 feet long and 2 sticks or bamboo. Let's get to it. So first you want to take your 2 sticks, your bamboo, and make a cross, all right? Just like that. Then we're going to take your string, loop it around the back. We're going to go ahead and pull it straight up. Make sure it's about even on both sides. There we go. Like that. Let me get a little closer. All right, so the beginning position is going to be like this. The loop on each side, you have a cross. The vertical stick is behind, the horizontal stick in the front. We're going to start by looping it around the front like this on the right side. Go ahead and wrap it, and then we're going to wrap it around the back, okay? Go ahead and wrap it around like this. Hold it like that. We're going to wrap it around here. And we're going to be at the front. So this is the first step, all right? There we go. That's the first step. You know, there's one cross in the middle, 2 strings right here, 1 string over here. Now we're going to wrap around the back of the vertical stick, wrap around the horizontal stick on the right side, and we're going to repeat that step again, all right? So make sure you are tight the whole time. Wrap around the back, and this is the next step, all right? So before we move forward, I want you to count your rope. 2 right here, 1 going across, 3 in the back. Behind we have 3 on the bottom and 4 on the top, all right? You see that? All right, so this part right here, we're gonna split the ropes up, all right? 1 rope is gonna go across the top, and 1 rope is gonna go across the X. So 1's gonna go up here, and 1 is gonna go like at the bottom. Sorry about that. There we go. So now we have an X in the middle. You see that? A beautiful X, all right? So now at this part here, we're gonna turn it around and we're gonna lock it in. So what locking it in is we're gonna cross these 2 together. So we're gonna cross them up so that way it goes across that. Take it across the vertical down here. Make this one go across the vertical down here. All right. Now make sure you are holding it tightly for sure, okay? So this is the back view of the sticks right now. This is the back view, all right? We're gonna do that again. We're gonna cross it one more time, just like that. So now we have to cross. Let's go ahead and turn it back around. Okay, so now we have 1 string at the bottom this side. We're gonna wrap this one around that and loop it down under. This is gonna be your final step right here. So now, let's have a little recap. We have 2 strings right here, 2 strings on the left, 3 strings on the right, 4 strings on top, 3 strings at the bottom. Cross, cross. We have the X in the middle. Beautiful. And then we finish it out by just double knotting this last part right here to secure it all in. So now we take this. Uh-oh, my string is unraveling, so sorry for that. It's a little hard to so we're gonna go ahead and tie this right here. Let me turn it upside down to make it easier. Let's go ahead and tie it 1 time. All right, so then with that, squeeze it. Then we can do it 1 more time. Let's double knot it. There we go. Pull it tightly. And afterwards, you can cut this part, the extra, or you can just leave it, whatever you prefer. And now you have a beautiful knot with your bamboo sticks. You see? Very strong, very secure, great for trellises or cages. And hopefully you found that useful. All right, guys, just use a bigger scale and happy gardening.